Let me explain Huffman coding decompression. I'll use this compressed text in the Huffman tree from the Huffman coding compression video. You can find that video in the description or maybe at the top right of this video. Actually, decompression is easier than compression. Basically, you just need to follow the bits until you reach a character. Let's start. First, we have a 0, so we go left. The next bit is also 0, so we go left again. Another 0, go left again. This gives me P, so the first 3 zeros represent P. Let's try the next one. It's 0, 1, 1, 1. This gives me I. We keep going like this, following the same rule. There's no voiceover during this part, so watch carefully to see how it works. And we're done! We've successfully decoded the text and got back the original message. Here's a quick recap. First, create a frequency table. Second, build a Huffman tree based on that table. Third, by following the paths in the Huffman tree, you can encode and decode data for both compression and decompression. Thank you for watching.